You know what I'm saying? I do this shit because I really want to get on these beats. You know what I'm saying? And I know I come with that shit. So now I'm finna let you see that shit. You feel me? Shout out GA. Yeah. I say what's up. I say what's happening. You can catch me anywhere. Nigga, I'm still getting it. Nigga, I'm still hustling. Always about that money. And you got money, you can fuck with me. Come get you something. I try to tell my cousin. I tell him get the fuck up out that city for your ass stuck there. Man, I tell you, I probably niggas no love there. Them niggas out there, man, them niggas love there. Them niggas out there thugging. Them niggas out there banging. Them young niggas in the mall. I seen them out there flagging. I'm like, look at these niggas. This shit would never stop. This shit would never time. No down, no watch. What the fuck is up? What the fuck is happening? I said that before. These niggas ain't trapping. These niggas be rapping. Rapping about some shit they don't do. But I'm telling you, this shit right here is brought to you from me. Cause me are coming. I'm true. I do what I do. I don't give a fuck about you or your fam or your clique or your squad or your beef. I don't give a damn. I do this shit. I'm really from the street. I know it. I do it. I know both roads and I can shoot anything with that fofo. I promise I'm good. I'm good for 50 feet. Headshot. Nigga on. Nigga gone 6 deep. What the business? 2K14 shit. Shout out GA, man. Real nigga for a real nigga. Holla at me.